Las Vegas, Las Vegas, up in the sky I heard your call. Las Vegas, Las Vegas, and I am here to give my all. I know in my soul what you expect of me, and all that and more I shall be. An airshow performer ought to be remarkable, fly spins that a less superb pilot would dread. Lumsha buck right across the sky, knife-edge spin to amaze the eye, pirouette into a double hammerhead. No matter the strain, he ought to be unpukable. Flat inverted spin should be his daily fare. But where in the world is there in the world a man so extraordinaire? C'est moi, I'm forced to admit 'tis I humbly reply, that mortal who these marvels can do. C'est moi, 'tis I. I've never botched a half-Cuban 8, I'm simply the best by far. My kick-ass gig we will not debate, talk roll and au revoir. C'est moi, I'm definitely it, your adoration makes sense. For fans I'll fly a loop full of curves, display steely nerves, I'm the one who deserves the great sort of excellence. The soul of an ace should be in fact unquestionable, his heart and his mind as pure as driven snow. Self-promotion he must disdain, chaste humility is his aim, quite a challenge to the announcer's ego. His need of the fans' attention insurmountable, only dared by his love of the centrifuge. But where in the world is there in the world a man so humble and huge? C'est moi, I blush to disclose I'm far too noble to lie. That man in whom these qualities bloom, c'est moi, 'tis I. I've never flown a bad show routine, I'm blessed with an eye and gut. If I'd a plane to fly against Wayne, I'd easily kick his butt. C'est moi, I hate to concede, you are a star, people cry. So here I stand as pure as a prayer, admittedly rare, with talent to spare, the best pilot in the sky. C'est moi,